What's happening, everybody? Today's a different video. It's going to be a little bit on the safety side from something that I discovered and reached out and asked questions about and was completely surprised at the response that I got. So our 2021 trailer came with Goodyear Endurance tires. The date code on these tires is 4119, so the latter part of 2019. I discovered that our tires were showing a little bit of cracking, dry rot crack. And so I reached out to Lion's Head, which has the tire warranty, the 1 year, no questions asked replacement. I was pleasantly surprised what the response was. I got the email that said, "We're sending you new tires, send those back to us, we're sending them to Goodyear." So the reason that I'm saying this is because several years ago I had a truck with some Michelin tires on it, and the truck didn't have maybe 5,000 miles on it when I discovered that the tires were doing this exact same thing. But I reached out to our local tire shop. My fault, I didn't reach out to Michelin, but I reached out to my local tire shop just to ask, hey, would it be worth my while to go ahead and contact them and ask them about this? And they said, no, it's normal, it's what Michelins do. Well, several years rock on, and now my Goodyears are doing the same thing. And like I said, when I reached out to Lion's Head, who actually provides the warranty on these new travel trailers and fifth wheels, they instantly hit me back and said, no, that's not right. Send us those tires. We've got you some brand new ones on the way. I'm gonna take these off and get the new ones. I'm gonna go to the tire shop and get the new ones put on and send these back. Let's get started. Guy up the other day, Home Depot had a sale. It was on sale for $100. It's a high torque, high speed, half-inch impact. Let's see how it works. One. Count it. One. Now these tires do have approximately 10,000 miles on them. They don't show very much wear, and I'm pleased, other than the fact that they have dry rot cracks, but they've held up very well, surprisingly. Anyways, to the other side. Okay, we're here at Discount Tire. I say we, I'm the only one in the truck. I don't know why I said that, it's just a habit. But I'm here at Discount Tire, here at our local Discount Tire. I know they're a nationwide place, but I have never been here before. Discount Tire sticks to only tires and wheels, but they don't do alignments, they don't do oil changes, they don't do brake replacements. You get the idea. So they're able to get me in and out within 15 minutes. 20 minutes is what they said at the most. So I'm sitting here in the parking lot waiting on the tires. Just people watching, which they're probably watching me wondering, why are you talking to a camera? It's my new life. We're back. That was very quick. Now I've got to hurry before it starts raining. As we were loading the tires at Discount Tire, I got kind of trapped in the back of the bed. So I had to jump over the edge of our F-350. And let me tell you, it's a long ways down to the ground. My knees hurt. I looked at those young kids that were loading the tires in. I say young, they were in their 20s. I said, man, it didn't used to hurt when I was in my 20s when I jumped out of a truck bed. And they just kind of looked at me like, you old man, get back in the truck. When I put my tires on, I always make sure that the hub has one of the bolts straight up and down. That way I know, and I don't have to kind of look around through the wheel to put the new tire on. And I always, especially when I'm working on loose gravel like this and I have my lug nuts laying on the ground, I always take and kind of clack them out and make sure that there's nothing inside of them when I put them back on. Okay, so if you're cheating with an impact, I highly recommend putting these lug nuts on by hand about halfway if you can. That way, when you go to put the impact on, it won't cross thread. You'll make sure that it's threaded on properly. Always when tightening lug nuts, go in a cross pattern to tighten them up. Do not go in a clockwise or a counterclockwise action, because you could possibly bend a lug bolt or the wheel itself because it's not going on properly. So always go in a cross pattern. And always go back over them one more time, kind of give them a little tightening. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to come back and I'm going to check all of these with a torque wrench. But other than that, it's all done. I'm going to check the tire pressures to make sure that they were, done right. I like to keep them, they say 80 psi cold. Some people run a little less, but I always just keep them at 80 psi cold, just because I like the tires to be inflated to their max, so that when we're turning, they don't fold under because they're underinflated. What's up, buddy?
I'm getting in the video.
Huh?
I'm getting in the video too.
You're getting in the video too? Do you want to help?
Uh-huh.
Well, man, you show up at the perfect time, because everything's done. Yeah?
Everything is already done?
Everything is already done. Dude, these are our new tires, man. What do you think? Come over here. What do you think about our new tires?
Good?
They look good, don't they?
Yeah.
They look a little better than the other ones, huh?
Yeah.
Can you tell everyone hi?
Hi.
Lean down so you can see your face. Oh, there's Jason. I said, man, you need a haircut, bro. All right, go. Okay, so what is the takeaway from today's video? I think it's simple. No matter how new your tires are, always keep an eye on them for uneven wear, for your tire pressure, in case you have a leak, or the climate change. It was 3 degrees here last week, and now Well, yesterday it was 73 degrees. Now it's somewhere in the mid-50s. But the air inside these tires will shrink and expand. So you always want to keep an eye on your tire pressures. But always check for uneven wear. Just run your hand across and see if anything sticks up or keeps you from going one way versus the other way. If it's smooth both ways, then you've got A, a great alignment on your vehicle, or B, you have a true tracking trailer, whether it's a fifth wheel, a travel trailer, or even a small trailer for that instance. But always keep an eye out too for dry rot cracks. If you go to your local shop and they tell you, oh, that's normal, still reach out to the tire manufacturer. Goodyear is a great brand. I don't know what happened or what caused the late 2019 tires that we had to start showing cracks, but nonetheless Goodyear and Lion's Head have made it right. So I hope y'all have enjoyed the video. I'm gonna clean up my mess, go inside and get me a bite to eat. If you don't mind, give this video a like. If you don't mind subscribing as well, that'd be great. We'd be appreciative. But we're gonna keep our travels up, and every once in a while we'll have us a little trailer tip, or like if our tires go bad again, we'll show that. Have a great day. Okay, so this is a comparison of the old tire versus the new tire. You can see there is some difference in wear, but it is not very substantial, especially for 10,000 miles. So there's the old versus the new. We are in good shape and ready to go.